Laughingstock.
Short clips.
I love that game. That's super fun. The next game, we're gonna take super seriously. So we're gonna bring it all back. It's for Justina and myself. It's called Sounds Like a Rap. So we're gonna do a regular scene. And at any point, it's up to Todd. If what we say kind of sounds like something he wants us to rap about, then he can say that and do a little beat for us. So all we need to get this going is, what's our relationship?
Brother, sister.
All right. Like, how close together are they? Like, are they like? Oh, what's the age difference?
9 months.
Super close. Awesome. Thank you so much. All right, here we go.
You were an accident. Yeah, that was painful for Mom, and that was your fault. So.
Look, Sally, you don't have to. Look, every time I see you, look, I know our age.
Yeah. It's kind of weird that I'm in the same grade as my brother. It's really embarrassing.
I don't see how it's embarrassing. When I'm an A student.
Yeah, well, I'm a B student. It's embarrassing. You're not even on the same grade as me. You know?
Look, I'm captain of the volleyball.
That sounds like a rap.
Alright, look, captain of the volleyball team. I'm Mackin. I'm super awesome. You are also awesome. Everybody likes you in the halls. Maybe not as much as me, let's be honest, because I'm super freaking cool when I'm wearing spandex. I am amazing. I'll keep on the beat. I'll stop hazing you, little sis. I mean older sis, just because you are like physically like unimpressive.
Well, that's not what all the boys are saying. All right. I'm just saying. Glad you're not saying it, but like other boys that are not related to me are saying things about my body. That
all
is good.
All my friends think you're incredibly ugly.
No, I don't think they said. I'd like to. I would like to.
That sounds like a rap.
Yo, see that girl? That's me. They be talking like the reach of them. Be all talking about me in the hall. They be like, I would like to, that would, yep, that
That's what they said, and you didn't even say anything about it, and you're supposed to defend me.
Look, I'm not going to say anything about a couple of nerds, all right? I'm not worried about a
I
couple
think
of
they
nerds.
were kind of jockey looking, actually. Still, it's
Wait.
disrespectful.
Were they my friends? Did I know them? Look, I'm going to punch my friend in the face if you said that about my sister.
That sounds like a rap.
All right. If I find out that one of my friends said that about my sister, I'm going to punch him out. I'm going to put my fist in his face, put my elbow and break his face. I'm going to hit his face twice. I'm going to do it twice. I'm going to do it 2 times. 1, 2, that's twice. And here we go. It doesn't matter if his name's Ben or Flo, because I got a friend named Flo.
Well, he's a jerk. I'm just gonna say it.
He's a jerk dude.
Yeah, he is. He's really good looking, I will say that, but he is not a good person. I don't know if I should tell you about this about your friend. I mean, you said he's a jerk. All right, I'm just gonna say this about Flo. Flo don't know how to hoe.
That sounds like a rap.
Yo, don't know how to hoe. He has this garden with all these weeds. He don't even know how to get his knees to pull him out.
All right, let me give it up for my friend. He's awesome. He's the man. He's got a garden that's really pretty and it's beautiful and silly, and I think it's really stupid as well, because I'm a dude and manly and it's stupid. Beats are dumb.
Every man should know how to hoe, even Flo. Some hoe. See?
was super fun.
There's so much spit on my beard.